This evening, I'm going on to the Ojai Valley Land Conservancy Ventura River Preserve to set a geocache in a tiny geo-gap on a trail that was washed out by floods. If that sounds like fun to you, come join me. So as the sun goes behind the hill, we're going to be going the upper river loop over that way. In January 2023, this whole riverbed just washed out. Millions of cubic yards of soil went down into the ocean, and it completely wiped out this trail. But through the efforts of Ojai Valley Land Conservancy and many volunteers and moving hundreds of rocks, this trail is much better than it was before the flooding. So thank you all. Great job. All right, as the sun gets behind the hills, I see a likely place for a geocache, so let's go set it. All right, this looks good. Got a nice rusty pole here, which will serve as a good hint. Down there. Couple rocks. All right, that looks pretty darn good. So we're done. And for you, I want to say, hey, thanks for joining me. Ojai is known for the pink moment, where the Topa Topa Ridge, which faces directly west, is the last thing that's illuminated as the shadow works its way up the hill. And we get this beautiful pink moment.